abahinja aba nibegitira mu kigombe cyabo ekya Nyankwanzi Multipurpose Cooperative Society Limited kandi obwa hati nibarengo mu 10 nekigenderwa cyo kwega kongera hamutindo gwebihingwa byabo.
And it has come to reality. Now this season alone they have sold coffee worth 1.3 billion shillings together.
So omukoro gugaba gugiye kutomu katare gugiye kutamani kumanya kutwa kwasakora value addition hamwani gwitu nebirimwe bindi.
Edison Tusobera mukuru w'ebyobuhingi n'oburisa omuri Kyenjojo atumanyise ngo nibenda kutandika enkora ya teknolojia okumanya kumara ebizibu ebiryo mu bahingi.
First of all, we have also installed for them a system that can monitor the farmer, that can monitor whether the farmers are receiving good extension services. They can communicate directly to us through a system. If a farmer has a complaint, he can mention it on the system.
To emphasize the idea of mindset change and projected income statements among the farmers so that they can be able to up their games of agriculture as a business.
Abahinja aba abo muri Kyenjojo nibagira ngo kwegitera hamwe hina hikira abatware.
Cooperative ejine yegesa te kukoma ku just kugura kungane yegesa abantu kubashimira kushura mu mwanya
mobilizing abantu barete bintu ebyamutindo
mwe tuteraba abashubuzi bo nabo mu Kyenjojo ngo babase kwije mu cooperatives barete umwani gwaho banogo gwezire ogwahirije gukushona nkogo.
Omukoro gubiro mugombora eya Nyankwanzi kandi abakugu abahinji n'abarisa hamwe n'abebembezi nibo bagwetabiremo. Omuganda makuru ba pastor rwo mu district ya Rukungiri barugireyo bashabwo mu kwejombera mu programs za government baba nibenda kubingo bworo omumaka gabo okushaba kuhirweyo chairman w'entebe ya katano ahabwa district ya Rukungiri Geoffrey Chomukama obwabiraje kire minister w'ibyo kwerinda Jim Muhwezi kandi ba pastor bona babire berundanire ahar God's Embassy erukushangwa mu Rukungiri municipality.
Fato nyaboro ebintu nibigira ki yesente zukwenda kwija tumwachendaga kuba boro twacenda boro batori ne districts kaga na mwenda azandi turukungiro batorana tukandikira byezo kubingo boro.
Chomukama yonjire yahiga abantu okukozesa kurunja amataka gabo obwo barugahingamo ebintu byino mugasho nkomwani
ndakuteka wamani icyo kubanza okuhinga umwani abeshengereza namwe no wakuba inakataka ukina akataka iroko yongero hinga umwani abakina akataka iroko yongero hinga umwani kandi government ndakuje kukwataraho kandi ndakuje akakarika kutera mwesete government ndakubarete resenge gumuhinga umwana umukanye kandi ubugumire
twatera tam so nane nabo banjurire omujanye mukuru that we are no longer the other group they said we are disorganized, uneducated, are good for nothing. Those days are gone. We are men and women who are responsible, who are focused and planning for the future.
Umubituri gukora twatagambira ngo nitereza barisa intezamate kandi twira barisi 13 intezo zamate
gasha kwa Daniel Bingana na Dan Basibwe.